If you're looking for a good list of trading brokers and tools, you'll see on our website here at bullishbears.com, we have a whole tools section. And this is where we go over the different brokers, trading tools, and scanners. We also have apps, books, trading news, trading journal companies. So if you're new to trading or you want to find out some of the best companies that are out there, you can head over to our website here at Bullish Bears and scroll in the different sections. So you'll see we also have a menu over here on the left, so you can kind of expand it out and you'll see different companies. I have them in alphabetical order here. So if you're looking for brokers in general or day trading brokers, if you want to look for free trading brokers, investing brokers, you'll see kind of the menu right over here, futures brokers. And then if you go up here to trading tools, you'll see the different tools by charting software, scanners, investing tools, options. And all you got to do is just open the menu on the side and you'll see the different reviews.